All right, we're getting a breaking update from Jammu and Kashmir. News coming in of a massive reshuffle that has taken place within the Jammu and Kashmir police. Now, what we are told that the SSP Srinagar, who has been transferred, and at least 7 districts of Jammu and Kashmir have got a new police chief. Now, this is coming across as a reshuffle that has now taken place within the ranks of the Jammu and Kashmir police, and the SSP Srinagar, we are told, who has now been transferred to a new position, and former NIA SSP J&K Rakesh Balwal, we are told, has been posted as the SSP Srinagar. Let me straight away go across both to Zeenat and Gursimran joining us with details. Zeenat, new police chief in at least 7 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. Is this coming on the hindsight where we are looking at several attacks, especially targeted killings taking place in Jammu and Kashmir?
See, Amita, we need to understand that Srinagar is a very sensitive place as far as to deal with the law and order, or for that matter, the anti-terror operations or the terrorist movement. Despite that, we have seen the good number of operations during Sandeep Chaudhary's time, who was SSP Srinagar's team, but now, because he had come all the way from Anantnag, where he also performed well. But now the government of Jammu and Kashmir, the LG administration, has taken a decision to transfer Sandeep Chaudhary and get Rakesh Balwal. Rakesh Balwal is known for his work. Particularly, he was investigating the case of NIA case of Lethpora attack, in which some 40 CRPF soldiers lost their life. And it seems that the Delhi was more keen to have a man who is having more eyes and ears to the ground as far as the situation in Srinagar city is concerned, because we have been seeing for the last couple of months whether it was the target killings or the attacks in Srinagar city, but we have also seen the kind of encounter, whether it was in Rambagh encounter where the 3 terrorists were neutralized, or for that matter the Rangret encounter where the 2 terrorists were neutralized. But we are seeing overall the major reshuffle in the Jammu and Kashmir police, but major shuffle has come from the Jammu region. Apart from, we talk about the Srinagar or Kashmir Valley, some of the SP or SSP have been transferred. In fact, the SP Rambar Nitya, she has been given the charge in UT of Ladakh. She is going to Ladakh. So overall, we are seeing that another transfer that we are looking at as far as the Srinagar city is concerned is of the Sajjad Shah, who was taking care of SP South. He has worked in the cargo as well. He was SP North. Now he has been shunted to the battalion. So it seems more like a punishment for few of the officers who could not, despite given a good posting, they could not do better as far as the Srinagar is concerned, and the kind of target killings happened in the recent past. So Delhi seems have taken a strict note of such things, because recently when the Srinagar attack took place in the Zevan, that time the PMO had already tweeted that they are looking into the matter. So these transfers had come just after the 3 days of the Srinagar attack, in which the 16 police personnel were injured, and out of 16, 3 lost their lives. Yes, Amita.
Gursimran, coming across to you now, I believe we also have the order copy that has been accessed by the channel. Can you just take us through many of those postings and the new postings? Who will now be the new SSP of Srinagar?
See, Amita, new SSP of Srinagar will be the Rakesh Balwal, who has been heading the National Investigation Agency prior to his deputation to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And with this posting, the Jammu and Kashmir government has made one thing clear, that they want local hands on ground, because Rakesh Balwal is born and brought up in Jammu and Kashmir. He knows things far better than anyone else. And apart from that, he has been investigating the Pulwama attack as well as a number of terror attacks. And the way he has developed leads, and many of the deadly terrorists have been neutralized on his leads. The operations that have been carried out by the leads developed by the NIA under the leadership of SSP Rakesh Balwal, that was something which made it possible that NIA got the transfers of Balwal to J&K Home Department, and now he has been posted as SSP Srinagar, right. One of the key postings. Yes.
So a massive rejig and a reshuffle that is now taking place within the police ranks there in Jammu and Kashmir. We'll continue to update our viewers more on the same. Thank you very much for the moment, Gursimran and Zeenat, for joining us.